Hey Truck Pros, Lauren Fletcher here with your Truck Chat Weekly Cheat Sheet. Let's hit those fleet headlines in 60 seconds or less. First up, Ford Pro and Southern Company are teaming up to put charging to the test. They're digging into real-world data to make fleet electrification smarter, simpler, and more reliable. Next, meet Teresa Belding. With more than 3 decades in fleet, she's sharing lessons on learning, leading, and lasting, advice every fleet pro can use. Cold weather's on the horizon, and that means fuel worries. From gelling to supply disruptions, now's the time to prep your trucks before winter bites. And for the second week running, Stellantis is making waves by shutting down its hydrogen fuel cell program, signaling a big shift in where alternative fuel investments are headed. Quick hits before you roll. The ITC rules Motive didn't infringe Samsara patents, Bollinger Motive grows its sales and service footprint, Merchants Fleet partners with ServiceUp to simplify repairs, and diesel prices are up this month and year over year. We have the details. That's your cheat sheet. Head to Work Truck for more. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll catch you next time.